Bloat, also known as gastric dilatation-volvulus, DGV, is a serious and potentially fatal condition that can affect dogs. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about recognizing the signs of bloat and how to prevent it from happening. Number 5. Understanding bloat. To start off, let's get a clear understanding of what bloat really is. Bloat occurs when a dog's stomach fills with gas, fluid, or food, causing it to expand. In some cases, the stomach can twist, leading to a life-threatening condition known as gastric torsion. This can trap the gas and content inside the stomach, cutting off blood supply to vital organs. Understanding the anatomy of your dog's stomach and digestive system is crucial to recognizing the signs of bloat. The canine stomach is an organ responsible for digesting and breaking down food. In dogs prone to bloat, the stomach can become overly distended due to the abdominal accumulation of gas, fluid, or food. This distension can lead to pressure on surrounding organs and tissues. Gastric torsion, twisted stomach. In some cases, the distended stomach can rotate or twist, a condition known as gastric torsion. This twisting can cut off the blood supply to the stomach, leading to tissue damage and compromising the blood flow to nearby organs like the spleen and liver. The twisting can also trap gas and contents within the stomach, causing it to expand further and intensify the pressure. Rapid onset of deterioration. One of the most alarming aspects of bloat is how quickly it can develop and escalate. A dog that appears perfectly healthy one moment can suddenly show severe symptoms the next. This rapid onset is a significant factor in why early recognition and intervention is critical. The consequences of bloat and gastric torsion can be dire. The reduced blood flow to vital organs can lead to tissue death, shock, and even death of the dog if not treated promptly. The high pressure within the abdomen can also impact the dog's breathing, leading to respiratory distress. Gas accumulation plays a significant role in bloat. When dogs swallow air while eating, drinking, or even during exercise, that air can become trapped in the stomach. This trapped air, combined with the accumulation of food and fluid, contributes to the distension of the stomach. 4. Common causes. Now, let's talk about the common causes of bloat. While the exact cause isn't always clear, there are several factors that can contribute to the development of bloat. These include eating too quickly. Dogs are known for their enthusiasm when it comes to mealtime. However, gobbling down food too quickly can be problematic. When a dog eats rapidly, they tend to swallow large amounts of air along with their food. This trapped air can accumulate in the stomach, leading to distension and an increased risk of bloat. Large meals. Feeding your dog 1 or 2 large meals a day, instead of spreading out their daily intake into multiple smaller meals, can also contribute to bloat. Large meals can cause the stomach to become overly full, putting pressure on the surrounding organs and increasing the likelihood of gas accumulation. Exercise before or after meals. Engaging in strenuous physical activity shortly before or after eating can be a recipe for disaster. Vigorous exercise can cause the stomach to move and shift, potentially leading to a twisted stomach. This is particularly true if the dog has just consumed a large meal. Breed predisposition. Certain dog breeds are more prone to bloat due to their unique anatomy. Breeds with deep chests like Great Danes, German Shepherds, and Boxers have more room for the stomach to move around, increasing the risk of twisting. If you have one of these breeds, it's essential to be extra cautious. Stress and anxiety can affect the dog's digestive system, slowing down the natural digestion process. This sluggish digestion can lead to the accumulation of gas and food in the stomach. High-stress situations such as travel, changes in routine, or exposure to new environments can potentially trigger bloat. Age and genetics. Older dogs might be more susceptible to bloat, as their muscles and ligaments may weaken over time. Additionally, genetics play a role in a dog's predisposition to bloat. If a dog has close relatives that have experienced bloat, their risk might be higher. 3. Recognizing the signs. Spotting the signs of bloat early on can make a huge difference in your dog's prognosis. Here are some key signs to watch out for. Abdominal distension. The most prominent and visible sign of bloat is a distended or swollen abdomen. If you notice that your dog's belly appears unusually large and bloated, it's a cause for concern. Keep in mind that this can happen rapidly, so any sudden changes in your dog's abdominal size should be taken seriously. Unproductive vomiting. Frequent attempts to vomit without anything coming up is another red flag. Your dog might retch or gag repeatedly, but very little or nothing comes out. This is due to the trapped gas and content in the stomach, making it difficult for them to relieve the discomfort. Restlessness and discomfort. Pay attention to your dog's behavior. If they are pacing, whining, or seem restless, it could be a sign of distress. Dogs with bloat often display discomfort by repeatedly changing positions and struggling to find a comfortable spot. Rapid, shallow breathing. Breathing difficulties can occur as the bloated stomach puts pressure on the diaphragm, making it harder for your dog to breathe properly. You might notice your dog panting more than usual or breathing rapidly and shallowly. Unexplained weakness. A sudden onset of weakness, lethargy, or collapse can be a result of reduced blood flow to essential organs. If your dog seems unusually weak or collapses, seek immediate medical attention. 2. Immediate action. If you suspect your dog has bloat, it's important to take immediate action. Time is of the essence, and a delay could be fatal. Here's what you should do. Contact a veterinarian. As soon as you suspect that your dog might be experiencing bloat, the first thing you should do is contact your vet or an emergency animal clinic. Inform them about the situation, the symptoms you've observed, and follow their instructions. Time is of the essence in these situations. Do not delay. It's important not to wait or take a wait-and-see approach. Bloat can progress rapidly, and delaying action could lead to worsening of the condition and potentially fatal consequences. The sooner your dog receives medical attention, the better their chances of recovering. Do not feed or water. Avoid giving your dog any food or water if you suspect bloat. Feeding or giving water can exacerbate the condition and potentially increase the risk of gastric torsion or the stomach twist on itself. It's crucial to keep the stomach as empty as possible. Minimize stress. While waiting for medical help, do your best to keep your dog calm and minimize stress. Stress and anxiety can worsen the situation, so create a quiet and comfortable environment for your furry friend. Speak to them in soothing tones and avoid any loud noises or sudden movements. Number 1. Preventative measures. Preventing bloat is crucial, especially if your dog is at a higher risk. Here are some effective preventative measures you can take. Divide meals. Instead of feeding one large meal, divide your dog's daily intake into multiple smaller meals. Slow feeding. Use slow feed bowls or puzzle feeders to slow down your dog's eating pace. Avoid exercise around meals. Make sure your dog's exercise routine is scheduled away from mealtime. Elevated feeders. Elevated food and water bowls can help reduce the amount of air your dog swallows while eating. Regular vet checkups. Regular visits to the vet can help monitor your dog's overall health and catch any potential issues early. Conclusion. Well, that's a wrap for our comprehensive guide to recognizing and preventing bloat in dogs. Remember, being vigilant about your dog's health and well-being can make a huge difference. Knowing the signs and taking swift action can save your beloved pet's life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow dog lovers. And as always, if you have questions or experiences to share, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Please subscribe to The Amazing Dogs. Thank you for watching.